वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्यं महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनिये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। I think we have to start from here. Abhyasa 200. Yeah. Ganesh, you can start. अधोनिर्दिष्टेषु वाक्येषु क्रियापदं संशोध्य लिखित।
उदाहरणं बालैः पाठः. So the wrong is पठ्यन्ते, it is पठ्यते. So छात्रैः ग्रन्थः लिख्यते.
Yes.
And मात्रैः वार्ता, so the wrong is पठ्यन्ते, so it becomes पठ्यते. वार्ता
मित्र not मात्र
मित्रैः वार्ता पठ्यते. बालकैः श्लोकः उच्यते. महिलाभिः पाकः क्रियते. युवकैः सेवा क्रियते. कर्मकारैः कार्यं क्रियते. कर्मकरैः कार्यं क्रियते. बालकैः जलं पीयते. जनन्या भोजनं पच्यते. and शिक्षकेन पाठाः पठ्यन्ते. बहुवचनं. जनैः उपदेशः श्रूयते. गायकैः गीतं गीयते. पंडितेन वेदाः उच्यन्ते. पाचकैः
वेदाः उच्चार्यन्ते।
उच्चार्यन्ते. पाचकैः पाकः क्रियते. कुम्भकारेण घटाः क्रियन्ते बालिकाभिः गृहपाठौ लिख्येते
Yes, right.
लिख्येते जनैः मूर्खौ निन्द्येते तया फले
No.
फले
Agree.
तया फले I think it's kriyate, so it becomes that is krinati, like so phale kriyete
Yes.
dvivachanam sarvaihi geetam giyate maya vakye vakye rachyete. I think this is all dvivachanam. Tena deepau, again dvivachanam. Jay
No, jvalyate is there. Sorry,
Sorry?
jvalyate is there. Jvalyate.
Jvalyete, okay. Jvalyete, deepau jvalyete, dvivachanam.
Excuse me, Ji. Previous exercise, I think we didn't do. We did only the Kriya Padams, that those words given in the top. 199. That Kriya Padani, that only we finished, no? The sentences we didn't do.
We can do now. We can do. So convert this into Kalmini Prayoga. Let's start.
Balaha Chiram Pibati, Balena Chiram Piyate. Lata Vastram Krinati. Lata, so Lataya Vastrani
Vastram.
Vastram. Okay. Vastram Kriyate. Chatraha Vishayam Janati. Chatrena Vishayam Nyayate. Sudha Pushpani Chinoti. Sudaya Pushpani Chi Dhatu. So Chiyante. Sishyaha Syutam Nayati. Sishyena Syutaha Niyate. Mahila Shatikam Krinati. Mahilaya Shatikam Kriyate. Ravihi Jalam Pibati. So Ravaye Jalam Piyate. Ravina, I'm sorry, Ravina Jalam Piyate. Then Kavihi Vicharan Sangrihnati. Kavina Vicharaha Sangrihyante. Bhimaha
Sangrihyante. Okay.
This is Vicharaha Bahuvachanam.
Yes.
So Sangrihyante.
Yante.
Bhimaha Pustakani Krinati. Bhimena Pustakani Kriyante. Aham Vastuni Nayami. Maya Vastuni Nidhatu. So Niyante. Danikaha Dhanam Dadati. Danikena Dhanam Diyate. Balak. Shall I continue? Balakaha. Okay.
बालकः कार्यं करोति बालकेन कार्यं कीर्यते सचिवः भाषणं जानाति सचिवेन भाषणं ज्ञायते गीता शाकं नयति गीतया शाकः नीयते
Shakam is
ते
shak only. Napumsaklinga.
नपुंसक ओके शाकं नीयते ते पुस्तकानि स्वीकुर्वन्ति तैः if it is पुल्लिङ्गं तैः पुस्तकानि स्वीक्रियन्ते मालाकारी पुष्पाणि चिनोति मालाकार्या पुष्पाणि चीयन्ते सैनिकः युद्धं जानाति सैनिकेन युद्धं ज्ञायते मनुः फलरसं पिबति मनुना फलरसं पीयते शिशुः चलनं न जानाति शिशुना चलनं न ज्ञायते राधा शाटिकां नयति राधया शाटिका नीयते शिक्षिका लेखनीं क्रीणाति शिक्षिकया लेखनी क्रियते क्रियते
Sakarmaka, akarmaka, akarmakavya. Sakarma, akarmaka, vyavastha. So, don't start vakyani. On the left hand side, you can see Sakarmaka vakyani. On the right hand side, akarmaka vakyani.
Your voice is breaking.
Is my voice clear?
No.
little bit of breaking is there.
Faint also.
Oh. Okay, just a minute. How about now?
Now it's better.
Now it's clear.
Better,
It's clear?
Yeah,
very
yeah,
clear.
it's clear.
So, sakarmaka vakyani, akarmaka vakyani. Karmana saha vartate. Sakarmakaha. Sakarmakam. So, dhatu which can take karma, those are called sakarmaka dhatus. We will see the definition later. I told before, I think, this pala vyapara. If these two have vyadikaranam, different locus, then it is sakarmaka. Pala vyapara, if it has the same locus, then it is sakarmakatvam iti. We will see the definition. I'll tell you the definition later. So, there are two types of dhatus, sakarmaka dhatus, akarmaka dhatus. In English, we say it is transitive, intransitive. For intransitive verbs, karmani prayoga not possible. Because karma will not be there. Therefore, it is bhave prayoga. Therefore, it is bhave. So, in this, here in this exercise, I think he has given the kartari prayoga sentence. Both sakarmaka dhatu, akarmaka dhatu can be in sakarmaka vakya or akarmaka vakya. But when it comes to Karmani, it is one. Karmani is possible only for sakarmaka dhatu. For akarmaka dhatu, it is bhave. So therefore, kartari prayoga, karmani prayoga, bhave prayoga. These three prayogas are possible for sakarmaka dhatus, whereas for akarmaka dhatus, only kartari and bhave. Akarmaka doesn't take karma. It doesn't have karma. Therefore, karmani prayoga not possible. Kartari and bhave. Whereas for sakarmaka, all the three prayogas possible. Kartari prayoga possible, karmani prayoga possible, bhave also possible. How bhave? If karma is not mentioned in the vakya, then it is bhave prayoga. Okay. So now we will read the vakyas and we convert that into karmani or bhave prayoga. Accordingly, we will convert. Okay. Now the next person can read. One sentence from the left hand side, one from the right hand side. Sumati.
Yes, sir. Sakarmaka Vakyani. Balaha Geetam Gayati. In Akarmaka, it's a different one. Karya Kramaha Bhavati.
Yeah. Convert the Kartari Prayoga Vakya to Karmani Prayoga Vakya.
So here it will be Balena Geetam Giyate. Is it correct, Sharanji?
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Karya Kramaha, second one. Chatraha.
No, second, not the right
The
one.
right hand side. Karya Akarmaka, it is Karya Kramaha Bhavati. So Karya Kramaha, it will be Karya Kramena Bhuyate.
That's all. Bhuyate. Karya Kramena Bhuyate.
Bhuyate.
Karma not there.
Dhatu
cannot take karma. So it is
Bhavi Prayo.
Bhuyate. Bhavi.
Then Chatraha Patham Patati. Chatrena Patham Patyate. Pataha Patyate. I'm sorry.
Pataha Patyate.
Patyate. Then Sasyam Vardate. Sasyam Vardate. Sasyena Vardate will become Vadhyate.
Dhatu is not Vardha. Dhatu is Vriddha. Vriddhyate.
So it will be Vridyate. Okay. Then Mala Vartham Shrinoti. Malaya Vartaha Shrinvante. Vartam. It's Nabumsakalinga.
Not Nabumsakalinga. It is Strilinga. Varta. Malaya Varta.
So it will be Malaya Varta Shrinvante.
Shruyate.
Oh, sorry. Shruyate. I need to go through those. Then Kukuraha Bashati. Bashati. Kukurena Bashati will become what dhatu is that, Shanji?
Bash Dhatu.
Sorry?
Bash Dhatu. Is my voice audible?
Bash. Yeah, but it's not very clear, Shanji. There is Bash dhatu. So it will be Brashyate.
Bashyate. Kukurena Bashyate.
Kukurena Brashyate.
Bashyate, not Brashyate. It is Bash. Bashyate.
Bashyate. Then Sudha Chitram Likati. Sudhaya Chitram Likyate. Then Balaha Davati. Balena Davyate.
Yes.
Then Sishyaha Mantram Vadati. Sishyena Mantraha. Mantram only, no? It's Nabumsakalinga.
Mantraha.
Mantraha. Oh, pulling. Sishyaha Mantraha Vadyate.
Udyate.
Va will undergo some process. Okay, udyate. Latha tishtati. Lataya. Lataya tishtati will become stapayati.
No.
That is
Stadatu.
causative. So it will be I'm sorry, Shanji, I didn't get it.
Stiyate. Stiyate.
Oh, that it will undergo dirgha.
Dhatu, akanda dhatu. We have seen the last class.
Yeah.
Lataya stiyate. Okay, next person now. Ganeshji.
रामः भोजनं करोति, रामेण भोजनं क्रियते, सिंहः गर्जति, सिंहेण गर्ज्यते, कृष्णः जलं पिबति, कृष्णेन जलं पीयते, नटी नृत्यति, नट्या नृत्यते, नर्त्यते,
Natya nrityate only.
नृत्यते, रमा घटं निन्दति, रमया घटेन निन्द्यते.
Gatena. Where is Gatena?
Sorry. Dushtam. So Rama dushtam nindati. So Rama dushtena nindyate. Shivaha hasati. Shivena hasyate. Gita karyam karoti. Gitaya karyam kriyate. Pakshi dayate. Pakshya diyate.
Not Pakshya. It is
Pakshi.
Pakshina.
Sorry. Pakshina. So Pakshina diyate. Bhimah syutam nayati. So Bhimena syutaha niyate. Pushpam vikasati. Pushpena vikasyate.
Now, खण्डवाक्येषु कर्मपदमस्ति, खण्डवाक्येषु कर्मपदं नास्ति। एवं खण्डवाक्यानि सकर्मकवाक्यानि, खण्डवाक्यानि च अकर्मकवाक्यानि। कर्तृपदसहितं क्रियापदम् उद्दिश्य किम् इति यदा प्रश्नं कुर्मः तदा यदि उत्तरं प्राप्यते तर्हि तत् क्रियापदं सकर्मकम्। उत्तरं न प्राप्तं चेत् अकर्मकम्। We know this. If you ask question kim, the answer should be karma. If karma is answer is that, then it is sakarmaka. If it is not, the akarmaka. Simple way to understand. Sakarmaka, akarmaka. Chatraha patati. Chatraha kim patati. Chatraha patati. Pat dhatu, it is sakarmaka dhatu. The object is not mentioned. Karma is not mentioned. So, karma abhivakshayam सकर्मक धातुः अपि अकर्मक धातुः भवति। छात्रः पठति, छात्रः किं पठति? Not there. Therefore, if you convert this into कर्मणि प्रयोगः, कर्मणि वाक्य, छात्रेण पठ्यते। यदि छात्रः पुस्तकं ग्रन्थं पठति, then accordingly karma will take the prathama vibhakti. Has dhatu, it is अकर्मक धातु। छात्रः असति एव। किम् असति? उत्तरं प्रश्नं न शक्यते। Therefore उत्तरं नास्ति। Therefore has धातु is अकर्मक। हसति, तिष्ठति, भवति, धावति, all these dhatus are कर्मक धातुस्. Next exercise. अधः प्रदत्ताः धातवः सकर्मकाः अकर्मकाः वा इति लिखतः. Okay. Now, that will say whether they are Sakarmaka or Akarmaka. Sameshwaraji. Find out the dhatu.
Okay.
As it's saying, see the table. Vakyam Dattam. Kim iti asya uttaram asti nasti. Ask the question Kim. Uttaram asti va nasti va. Then Uttaram asti va nasti va. That is, Uttaram is not there, but Uttaram can be there. When you ask the question Kim, that could be there, but it is not given. If it could be there, then nasti. It's not possible, then it is nasti. Then write the dhatu, then you have to say whether it is karmaka or akarmaka.
Okay. Chatrah likati iruttaram asti. So lik is the dhatu and it is sakarmaka. Okay. Balaha patati kim patati. So answer is there. So asti. Pat is the dhatu sakarmaka. Gita kadati. So
Just you can say
asti.
sakarmaka. Just you can say sakarmaka, akarmaka.
Okay. Kad dhatu sakarmaka. Krishnaha davati dav dhatu akarmaka. Shyamaha smarati smru dhatu sakarmaka. Radha tishtati sta dhatu akarmaka. Govindaha vadati vad dhatu sakarmaka. Shunakaha bashti it is akarmaka. Bash dhatu bashati bash dhatu akarmaka. Bhimaha shrunoti shru dhatu or shrun dhatu. Shru dhatu. So Bhimaha, yeah, it is sakarmaka. Gayatri nindati nindu dhatu.
Yes, Bhimaha Shrunoti dhatu is Shru dhatu, not Shru. Shru dhatu. Not Shru, not Ukara. Ukara.
Okay.
Shrunoti.
Shru dhatu. And that is sakarmaka. Gayatri nindati nind dhatu sakarmaka. Pushpam vikasati. It is vikas dhatu. Akarmaka. Purushaha gachat.
He is supposed.
Oh, kas dhatu. Okay. Purushaha gacchati gam dhatu akarmaka. Vriddaha, what is that? Vriddaha
Hasati.
harati.
Not harati. Hasati.
Hasati. Okay. Has dhatu akarmaka. Pakshi dayate di dhatu akarmaka. Sachivaha pibati pa dhatu sakarmaka. Shaka kampate kamp dhatu akarmaka. Parvati nayati ni dhatu it is akarmaka. Vrikshaka vardate sakarmaka.
Nayati is sakarmaka.
Yeah. Kim nayati we can ask. Correct. Sakarmaka. Vrikshaha vardate vrid. What is it? Vrid dhatu akarmaka. Bataha rakshati. It is sakarmaka. Raksh dhatu sakarmaka.
Smarata. Yatra kim iti asya uttaram na labhyate tat eva sakarmakam kriyapadam. Paraha sati vrikshaha vasate ityadi. Then Bhave Prayoga. Krishnaji can read. Adolikitam Anuchedam.
Patata. Okay. Mrigalaye anekaihi pranibhihi bhuyate. Mrigalaye anekaihi pranibhihi bhuyate. Tatra simhena. Okay, Mrigalaye anekaihi pranibhihi. So various animals exist in the Mrigalaya zoo.
Yeah.
various animals exist in the zoo. Okay.
Kartari will be
Kartri will be Mrigalaye anekai. So anekaha praninan bhavanti.
Praninaha Anekaha
Pranina
bhavanti.
Praninaha bhavanti. Tatra simhena garjyate. Okay, tatra simhena garjyate. So there the lion roars.
Tatra Simha Garjati. Okay.
Oh, garjati. Okay. Harinaihi davyate. So the deers run around.
Yeah, Davyate.
Pakshibihi diyate.
Literal translation will be running is done by the deers.
Deers.
Arinaha Davanti.
Similarly, pakshibihi diyate or pakshin sabda. So pakshinaha dayante.
Dayante.
Or dayante. Okay. Simha darshanena harinibihi kampyate davyate cha. Looking at the lion.
Harinabihi. Sorry, Harinibihi. Okay. Harinibihi. Fine.
So looking at the lion, the deers
Harinibihi is female deers.
they are afraid and they run around.
Harinibihi kampyate davyate. Harinaha Harini is Strilinga. Ikaranta
Srilinga. Okay.
So Kartari will be
Harini. So Hari.
Sinha darshanena Harinyaha kampante
Harinyaha kampante davanti. Okay. Simha garjanam shutva shishubihi rudyate. Hearing the Simha garjanam shutva shishubihi. So shishavaha rudanti. Okay. Simha garjanam shutva shishuvaha rudanti. Anyaihi balaihi savismayam sthiyate. Anyaihi balaihi. What is savismayam? Sthiyate.
Smi dhatu with upasarga. V upasarga. With sahena, vismaya, sahena. So vismayam. Smi is to smile.
Okay. So
Smi means smile with V upasarga. Vismayam. So they were Vismayam. So Vismayam means they were they looked at very happily. So Vismayam.
Sthiyate. Okay. Stadatu. So it will be tishtanti in karmani prayoga.
Yeah. So Anyaha balaha savismayam tishtanti.
Mrigalayasya parshve ekatra vanena ekena bhuyate. Okay, so parshve. So there exists a forest near the zoo.
Yes. Kartari will be
Mrigalayasya parshve ekatra vanam ekena bhavati.
Ekam vanam bhavati.
Oh, ekam vanam bhavati.
Vanam bhavati.
वनं भवति ओके तत्र अनेकैः पुष्पैः विकस्यते ओके सो कर्मण कर्तरि विल बी तत्र अनेकाः पुष्पाः
पुष्पाणि some पुष्पाः
पुष्प ओके पुष्पाणि अनेकाः पुष्पाणि
अनेकानि
विकसन्ति
पुष्पाणि
अनेकानि पुष्पाणि विकसन्ति
Hmm.
पुष्पाणि विकसन्ति ओके वृक्षैः वर्ध्यते सो trees also grow so वृक्षैः so वृक्षाः वर्ध्यन्ते
वर्धन्ति वृद्ध धातु
वर्ध्यन्ति
वर्धते वर्धेते वर्धन्ते इट इज आत्मनेपदी ओके सो वृक्षाः
वर्धन्ते
वर्धन्ते
ओ एतानि सर्वाणि दृष्ट्वा बालैः सन्तोषेण हस्यते ओके सो इन कर्मणि एतानि सर्वाणि दृष्ट्वा बालाः सन्तोषेण हसन्ति
yes santoshena is adverbial that will not change it is not the, the karma it will remain as it is santoshena so in the vakya sentence you have to see which who is karta karta is balahi bala karma not there therefore it is all bhave
प्रयोगः
उपरितन वाक्येषु क्रियापदानि भावे प्रयुक्तानि yes अत्र सावधानं परिशीलयत सर्वत्र क्रियापदस्य प्रयोगः एकवचने प्रथमपुरुषे एव अस्ति thus here is a point we noted if karma is not there then what vachanam kriyapadam will take say for example first line मृगालये अनेकैः प्राणिभिः भूयते मृगालये अनेकाः प्राणिनः भवन्ति so प्राणिनः भवन्ति sentence कर्तृवाक्य is प्राणिनः भवन्ति now convert this into कर्मणि प्राणिभिः this भूयते or भूयेते or भूयन्ते karma not there so when karma is not there always it will be prathama purusha ekavachana so in bhave prayoga you can note in bhave prayoga kriya padam will begin ekavachana in karmani prayoga if karmani prayoga when we say karma is there so kriya padam will be in keeping with the vachanam of the karma in all the sentence since it is bhave prayoga you can see they are all in ekavachanam bhuyate garjate dhavyate diyate kampyate dhavyate rudyate stiyate iti all are ekavachana that is the rule so therefore sarvatra kriyapadasya prayogah ekavachane prathama-purushe ekavachane eva asti yatra akarmaka-dhātavah prayujyante tatra bhave prayogah iti vyavastha where akarmaka-dhātu are used that one what vyavastha is possible kartari and bhave prayoga only karma is not possible karma is not there therefore bhave prayoga kriya padam will begin ekavachanam prathama purusha ekavachanam okay अर्थात क्रिया भावं बोधयति चेत् तदा भावे प्रयोगः क्रिया भावं बोधयति so in bhave prayoga what is bodhayati what is what does it convey what does it teach is what does it say is that bhavartha only kriya bhavartha only it conveys bhavartha is that the only action what bodhayati only that action karma that bhavam bodhayati kriya bhavam bodhayati only bhavartha will be there the very action alone is conveyed through bhave prayoga there only action is important kriya only is important not even karta so क्रियाभावं बोधयति. It is only, that's called bhavartha. Bhavartha, only action. So there you see the dhatu artha. The meaning of the very dhatu, the kriya, the action is seen in the karmani, in the bhave prayoga, not karmi, bhave prayoga. Akarmaka dhatu nam prayoge, kriyapadam karma apeksham na karoti iti karanat tasya अन्यस्मिन् वचने पुरुषे वा प्रयोगः न भवति. So in akarmaka, for akarmaka dhatus, in bhave prayoga, only bhave prayoga possible. So karma apeksha nasti. Akarmaka dhatu cannot take karma. Therefore, other purusha, other vachana is not possible. Na bhavati. Only pratama purusha, eka vachana. Since karma is not there, therefore kriya padam always will begin pratama purusha, eka vachana. Therefore, three types of prayogas are there now. Prayogaha trividaha vibhattaha. Kartari prayogaha, karmani prayogaha, bhave prayogaha cha iti. There is a sutra in fact, laha karmani bhave cha. So, lakara, this kriyapadam can be in kartari, karmani, bhave cha. So, kartari prayoga, sakarmaka prayogaha, balakaha, बालः ग्रंथं पठति कर्मणि बालेन ग्रन्थः पठ्यते. अकर्मक प्रयोगः बालः असति बाले बालेन हस्यते इति. So कर्तरि कर्मणि and bhave is possible for sakarmaka dhatus, whereas for akarmaka, kartari and bhave only possible. And for bhave prayoga, kriya padam will be in prathama purusha ekvachan. This is to be noted. Yatra kriyaya bhavaha. Bhavaha is dhatu. That is what I said. The meaning of the very dhatu is conveyed through the bhave prayoga. Dhatu artha. It's called bhavartha. Yatra kriyaya bhavaha dhatu artha uchyate bodhayanti saha bhave प्रयोगः. अकर्मक धातोः एव भावे प्रयोगः भवति. Why is sakarmaka dhatu not possible? It is possible when karma is not mentioned. Bhave prayoge api dhatoho ya plus te rujyate. Same as karmani only. So has become hasyate, upavish plus ya plus te upavishyate. So you can see some.
Sharanji, a small doubt, Sharanji.
Yes.
The previous one you showed balaha asati. If we make it as balaha asanti, what will be in bhava prayoga? It will be balaihi asyate only.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Will be, the vachanam will be in, what are the vachanam? When that Tritiya Vibhakti, that vachanam will be there. Kriya Padam will be, because take the sentence, Balaha Hasanti. Okay.
Yeah.
Balaha is Karta. So Karta will be in Tritiya Vibhakti when you change the Prayoga to Karmani, right?
Karmani. Yeah.
Let us say Karmani, I'm just saying Karmani. Balaihi. Now, Balaihi is the Kriya Padam. Dhatu is as Dhatu. Karma is not there. Then what vachanam you will take? Why it should be asyante? Asyante, what is abhigita in?
Karmani is, you should take the karma.
Karma
that
is not there. Therefore, karma is abhigitam in karmani prayoga. So, if karma is not there, karma abhave, that's called bhave prayoga. Karma abhave kriya padasya pratama purusha ekavachana rupam eva bhavati. Right?
Yes, sure.
Not karma is not abhigita. Karma is abhigita, but karma is not there. Karma above. Therefore, it is bhavi prayoga. Therefore, kriya padam will begin ekavachana.
Ekavachan.
Ekavachana.
Okay.
So
Thank
therefore,
you.
it is only astyate only. It cannot be astyanti.
Yeah.
Right? If see, it's a simple logic only. If karma is there, then keeping with the vachana of the karma, it will change. Karma not there. Therefore, it may as it is. So now, Abhyasa 202. Some karma dhatus he has given. Adho nirdishtanam dhatunam yathodharanam bhave rupam ekata. Same. So all this already we have seen. Vikasyate, hastyate, dhavyate, stiyate, pashyate. Sorry, bashyate is akarmaka dhatu. Bashyate is biting. No, is barking. Bashyate is barking. Bashyate. Milyate, diyate, vrudyate, bhuyate, kampyate, rudyate. Iti. Then, adho nirvishtana vartamana rupana bhave rupani likata. Okay, already we have seen this sequence. Now, bhave prayoge sarvada kriyapade ekavachanam bhavati. We know that. Always it will be ekavachanam, singular. Karma prayoge tu karmanah ekatve ekavachanam. Karmanah dvitve dvivachanam. Karmanah bahutve bahuvachanam bhavati. Smatiji, what your question is answered. If karma is singular in karma,
Yeah. Yes, Shanji. Thank you.
ekavachanam. Accordingly, if it is dvivachanam, then kriya padam will be dvivachanam. In bhave prayoga, it is kriya padam will be only in ekavachanam. Next exercise, Abhyasa 204. Kena kim na kriyate iti likata. Kena kim na kriyate. Okay. Right? What is not being done by whom? Kruddha kruddena na hasyate. Mukaha bhash. So, next person, Ganesh, you can do.
Shanji, I think it's me.
Oh, okay, please do that.
Yeah. Mukaha bash. So it will be mukena na bhashyate. Then manavaha, what is that? Woody.
E. What is would be?
Manava woody is,
What is
I know, Shan.
D is a dhatu.
Yeah, it's diyamanaha. That will be like flying.
Yeah, D is dhatu with ut upasarga. What happened to ut upasarga? Akara in contact with
Akara and takara in contact with. So it will become first Jashtva Sandhi and
good.
then it will become
Stutva.
Strutva. Strutva Sandhi.
Takara and then Dikara. Therefore, would D. Okay. Ut is upasarga. Okay, continue.
Yeah. So it will be Manavena na Udyate. Then
No. Okay.
Uddiyate.
Uddiyate, yes.
Yate. Then Pangu Dav. So it will be Panguna na Davyate. Then Nidrataha Prastha.
Nidrita.
Nidritaha. That Prastha is okay. Nidritena na Prastha. That will be what?
Stadatu.
Star. So okay, Stiyate. So Stiyate. Is it Stiyate?
Yeah, prastiyate.
Prastiyate.
Na prastiyate. Okay.
The next one, yeah.
Prastha means started. they have started moving.
Mm.
Because they are sleeping, therefore nidritena.
Not, yeah.
They are not departed. Okay.
Shila kam, Shilaya na kampyate. Then Pashu has, Pashuna na hasyate. Then Shilamaya Mukhulam, because so it will be Shilamaya Mukulena na Vikasyate. Then Vyagra Murtihi Garj. Vyagra Murtiya na Garjyate.
Murtiya, what is Murtiya? Murtiya.
Hari.
Don't forget the Shabdas.
Yeah.
If not do again, Shabda, Guru Shabda. Vyagra Murtina na Garjyate.
Then Apatuhu Nirt. Apatuna na Nityate. Viraha Palai. Virena na Palayate. Palayate, yeah.
Yes. Virena na
Palayate.
Palayate. Double yakara. Okay. Palay plus ya plus.
Yeah. Palayate.
Next exercise, Abhyasa 205. Atah भावकर्मणोः वाक्यानि मिश्रयित्वा एकत्र एव लिखितानि सन्ति. तानि विचित्य निर्दिष्टस्थाने पृथक् पृथक् लिखता. Okay. So कर्मणि भावे, you have to say whether it is कर्मणि or भावे. Each sentence you have to read and say whether it is कर्मणि or भावे. Ganesh ji, simple.
So Ramena Pataha Patyate. So it is Karmani here because Pataha is there. And
you can convert into Kartari also because this is a simple one.
right. So Ramena Pataha Patyate. So Ramaha Pataha Patati. So Ramena Upavishyate Bhave. So Ramaha Upavishati. Then Ramena Sthiyate Bhave Prayoga. And Ramaha Tishtati. Parnena Palyate.
Patyate, not palyate.
Sorry, Patyate. So Parnena Patyate. So Parnam Patati. Then Balaihi Kandukaha Kridyate. And this is Sakarmaka. So Balaha Kandukam Kridanti.
Kanduka is pulling down. Balayhi kanduka.
Okay.
Kridyate.
So Kandukaha.
Alaha kandukam. Not kandukam.
Kandukaha.
Alaha kandukam kridanti.
Okay. Balaha Kandukam Kridanti.
Karmani prayoga.
Karmani prayoga. So Balaihi Lekaha Likyate. Karmani prayoga. Balaha Lekaha becomes Lekham Likhanti. Then Balaihi Dhavyate. Dhavyate is Bhavi Prayoga. Balaha Dhavanti.
Kaneshwari, you can do 8 to 14.
Okay. Balaihi Devaha Pujyate Karmani Balaha Devam Pujayati. Pujayanti. Balaihi Hasyate. This is Bhave. So Balaha Hasanti. Balena Taruhu Kampyate Karmani. Balaha Tarum Kampyati. Kampati, Kampati. Balena Rudyate Bhave Prayogam. Balaha Rodati. No, Rudya.
Listen, Roditi.
Roditi. Okay. This is Roditi. Balena Geetam Giyate Karmani. Balaha Geetam Gayati. Balena Shastram Nyayate Karmani. Balaha Shastram Jayate. No, Janati. Jayati is different. Janati. Tvaya na akadyata. This is what? Bhuta akadyata. Tvaya is tvam na akadat. Is it like that?
Tom na akadat. How can be Tom na akadat?
Tvaya.
What prayoga is that?
This is karmani. Karmani.
Listen, it's a karmani prayoga.
Yeah, kim akadyat something. Not eating. Na
Karmani.
akadyat.
Is it karmani or kartari or bhavi?
Oh.
What prayoga is this?
This is kartari. No, akadyat. No, akadyata. It is. So, tvaya.
Kameshwari,
This means
just think.
karmani.
Listen, first listen. Yeah, please listen. The sentence, who is the karta? And karta in what vibhakti? First you have to see that. Then only you can say what prayoga is this. Because the other lakaras are used. That should not create any confusion. Other lakaras, as we use lat lakaras or the other lakaras, akadyata. That's all. Akadyata. Already we have seen such prayogas before. This akadyata is lung form. Form of lung form, lung karmani. Akadyata is lung karmani. It is karmani, that's all. Karta is in what vibhakti?
Tritiya vibhakti.
Therefore it is karmani only.
Yeah.
Where is karma?
Karma is not given here.
Not there. Therefore what prayoga? Therefore what prayoga is that?
Bhave prayoga. But
Bhave prayoga only.
how, see, if we can get answer, no? Akadyata means
What answer?
eat something, some fruit or something, palam.
That
Na
use of
akadyata,
that use
like
where it is, it's not mentioned in the sentence. That you say, but you didn't say fruit. Where is fruit is there?
No, we can get. So I thought
We can that we
answer if we
but
can
it is
get.
not there. Answer not there.
Okay.
Therefore it is.
Okay.
That is what I
Bhave
said before. Sakarmaka dhatu can begin kartari prayoga, karmani prayoga, even
or bhave. Correct.
if karma is not mentioned, then the karmani prayoga, that will become bhave prayoga for even for sakarmaka dhatu. Dhatu, all the three prayogas possible. Karma avivakshayam, karmani prayoga to bhave rupena bhavati.
Okay.
Tvaya akhadyata, it is bhave prayoga only. It is not kartari prayoga. That should be very clear. Is in tritiya vibhakti. How can it be kartari?
Yeah. It is karmani only.
So now
So it is bhave.
Tvaya na akhadyata. It is bhave prayoga. Convert into kartari prayoga.
Tvam na karmani will be akadyat.
Akhadaha. That's all.
Akadaha. Tvam, yeah. Tvam na akadaha. Akadaha. Yeah.
Akhadat, akhadatam, akhadan. Akhadaha,
Adaha.
akadata. Akhadam, akhada, akadava, akadama.
Akadama.
So kartari will be, tvaya will become tvam, tvam na akadaha. That is the kartari prayoga, right?
Yeah, no, understood, clear.
Krishnaji, next person, 15 to 20. So now we will see later slowly other lakara. When it comes to other lakara, it will be little more complicated. Not much, because you have to think, you have to see. Now it's all kartri prayoga, it's all in lat lakara, therefore it is easier. But when it comes to other lakaras, lung and vidiling and lot lakara, then slowly it becomes a little complicated. We will do. In fact, we can do this some of these exercise in other lakaras. We'll do it later. After we do this round, we can do that. We will take some exercise and do for all the lakaras, all these 4 sarvadhatuka lakara. That time the same exercise will become a little bit difficult. Yes, Krishnanji.
नटेन गानं श्रूयते, नटः गानं शृणोति, नटेन नृत्यते, नटेन नर्त्यति.
How can be nartyati? Nataha, right?
Oh, nataha nartyati.
There is no nartyati. Nrityati only is there. That is 4th gana. Nrityati only.
Nrityati.
Nataha nrityati.
Yeah, nrityati. Yeah. Nrityati. Vyagrena garjyate. Vyagraha garjati. Tena prashnaha pritchyate. सः प्रश्नं पृच्छति. पित्रा पुत्रः ताड्यते. पिता पुत्रं ताडयति. पित्रा श्लोकः उच्यते.
ताडयते. It is Ubhayapadi.
Okay. पित्रा श्लोकः उच्यते. पिता श्लोकं वच धातु.
What is vach? How can be ukti?
Bhakti, vasai bhakti.
Bhakti.
Vach dhatu.
Vach dhatu becomes bhakti.
Bhakti.
So bhakti.
Okay. Bhakti.
वर्तमाने कर्मणि भावे च प्रयोगाः. This Sumati can start. Adarsha Rajyam.
Adarsha Rajyam. Jagati ane kavithaha raja naitika.
Kavithaha you are to read. Aneka vidhaha, not
Aneka vidhaha raja naitika vicharadhara aneka vidhaha cha राजनैति कव्यवस्थाः दृश्यन्ते. राजनैतिकव्यवस्थाः दृश्यन्ते. So that is in the world जगति
अनेक विधाः राजनैतिक विचारधाराः अनेक विधाः च राजनैतिक व्यवस्थाः दृश्यन्ते. First, what prayoga is that? It is what prayoga?
It is karmani prayoga.
It is bhave prayoga.
Bhave prayoga.
Karma
no,
not
karma
there.
is not mentioned. Yeah.
So aneka vidaha, different types, different kinds. Aneka vidaha. Rajanaitika means politics, the niti.
Oh, okay.
Vichara dhara means vichara is, dhara is the flow. Vichara is the inquiry. So debates, discussion. Aneka vichara or vichara dhara. The flow of, or you can say vicharadhara is, the vichara is discussion, debate, the views. Vicharadharaha and rajanaitika vyavastaha. Vyavastha is the state or the condition. Vyavastha, the transaction, the action. Rajanaitika vyavastaha drishyante. Jagati. Jagati means loke.
Okay, okay. In the world, you can say.
Yes. So rajanaitika vicharadharaha aneka vidaha, and rajanaitika vyavastaha, the vyavastha, the condition, the status, the action, the this politics. Rajaniti is politics. Dushyante, it is seen in the world. Okay, then
Kvachit राजतांत्रिकी व्यवस्था क्वचित् च लोकतांत्रिकी व्यवस्था अस्ति.
so what prayoga is that?
This is also Bhavi Prayoga.
No, Bhavi, it is Kartari prayoga. Simple. Asti is there.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So some are Rajatantriki. Some vyavasthas are very political, Rajatantriki. Some vyavasthas are Lokatantriki. Loka is people, so connected with people. Lokatantriki vyavastha asti. Right? The next line, next person. Swati, then Ganeshi.
किंच या कापि विचारधारा व्यवस्था वा भवतु यस्यां राजनीतिक व्यवस्थायां राजनेतृभिः राजधर्मः सम्यक् परिपाल्यते सा व्यवस्था उत्तमा भवति. येन राज्येन.
That's okay. We'll come to that. Paripalyate.
परिपाल्यते.
कः परिपाल्यते?
राजधर्मः परिपाल्यते.
राजधर्मः सम्यक् परिपाल्यते. So, कैः?
राजनेतृभिः.
राजनेतृभिः, that is political leaders, नेता. नेतृभिः. राजनेतृभिः राजधर्मः परिपाल्यते. By the politicians, the Rajadharma.
They followed the Rajadharma.
Rajadharma, that is rules of ruling. Dharma.
They observed it.
Observe, they follow. Kincha ya kapi vicharadhara vyavastha va bhavatu yasyam rajanitika vyavastham, that rajya dhara vyavastha bhavatu, whatever may be the rajya that vyavastha, that rajya dhara vyavastha bhavatu yasyam rajanitika vyavasthayam rajanetribhi samyat, that Rajanitika Vyavastha is the constitution. Okay, that the Rajanetribhi, the politicians, they samyak paripalyate. Sa Vyavastha uttama bhavati. That Vyavastha is uttama. It is considered to be superior. They do the ruling in keeping with the Rajanitika Vyavastha, constitution. Samyak bhavati. Rajadharma samyak bhavati. Paripalyate. Kaihi Rajanetribhi. Sa Vyavastha uttama bhavati. Right? Okay.
Right.
Anyway.
So that is ideal.
That is ideal. Uttama bhavati, that is considered to be uttama, ideal. Okay. You can read.
येन राज्येन नागरिकेभ्यः केचन मूलभूताः अधिकाराः दीयन्ते. नागरिकैश्च कानिचित् मूलभूतानि कर्तव्यानि पाल्यन्ते तद् राज्यम् उत्तमम् तस्य नागरिकाः च उत्तमाः भवन्ति.
Yes.
So those citizens become
Palyante.
ideal citizens who
Diyante. What can, okay. Diyante. Kaha or ke diyante?
अधिकाराः दीयन्ते.
Adhikara is privilege. Moolabhutaha adhikara means
Fundamental rights.
fundamental rights, basic privilege. Diyante. Kechana. Kechana moolabhutaha adhikaraha. All are the same vibhakti. Kechana is aware. Moolabhutaha, fundamental rights, basic privileges. Moolabhutaha adhikaraha diyante. For whom?
Citizen. Nagarikebhyah.
Nagarikebhyah. By whom? By what?
By the politicians or
By the Rajya, by the Rajyam.
by the Rajya.
By the kingdom. Yena Rajyena diyante. So, Rajyam Moolabhutan dadati kartari prayoga. Okay. So, nagarikaihi cha kanichit moolabhutani kartavyani palyante. It means also by the citizens, nagarikaihi. Nagarikaihi palyante. What prayoga is that?
Sorry?
Nagarikaihi palyante. What prayoga?
I think it's Kartari.
Karmani.
Acha.
Nagarikaihi palyante.
Yeah, it's Karmani. Palyante. So Nagarikai.
Nagarikaihi kartavyani moolabhutani kartavyani palyante.
Palyante. So it's
What is kartavyani?
Kartari.
Moolabhutani.
Moolabhutani kartavyam is.
It is what vibhakti?
Tritiya vibhakti. Palyante.
In the sentence, it is Pratama vibhakti.
Pratama.
Why it is Karmani prayoga? Okay. Nagarikaihi moolabhutani kartavyani moolabhutani palyante karmani prayoga. Convert this into kartari prayoga.
So,
Nagarikaha moolabhutani
kartavyani palyate or palyanti.
Not palyanti.
Palyanti.
Listen, not palyanti. Palayanti.
Palayanti.
Why pal? It is palayanti. Kartari prayoga. We are converting that into kartari prayoga. Nagarikaha palayanti.
Palayanti.
Palayanti. Kartavyani moolabhutani palayanti. In karmani it will be palyante. Kani palyante kartavyani moolabhutani palyante. Kaihi nagarikaihi. Oraihi. Citizen, by the citizen. So karmani prayoga. So Rajyena moolabhutaha adhikaraha diyante. Then taihi, nagarikaihi tani palyante. So that fundamental rights which are given by the Rajya, and that to be done, they are followed by the citizens. Then tat rajyam kim bhavati uttamam bhavati. Tasya nagarikaha api
Moolabhutani kartavyani. Duties. They follow the duties.
Duties. Kartavyani is to be done. Moolabhutani, duties to be done.
Fundamental duties.
Fundamental duties. Then only the fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are given by the king, by the Rajya, and fundamental duties are fulfilled by the people.
Citizens.
That citizens, that Rajyam is Uttama Rajya.
Ideal.
Nagarikaha Uttamaha Bhavanti. So the Kriya Padam we can see. Palyante, Diyante, Paripalyate. All these are where Diyante is there, for which karma is adhikaraha, qualified by moolabhutaha, and karta is Rajya. Similarly, palyante for the kriya pada, the karta is nagarikaha, nagarikaihi is therefore it is karmani prayoga. Moolabhutani is the karma, and that is to be done. Kartavyani qualifier. It is in Prathama Vibhakti. Therefore, it is in Karma is in Prathama Vibhakti. Therefore, Karmani Prayoga. Next sentence. Kameshwari. Complete two sentences.
यत्र राज्ये सर्वेभ्यः बालेभ्यः प्राथमिकी शिक्षा निःशुल्कं दीयते श्रमिकेभ्यः उचितं परिश्रमिकम् अवश्यं निर्धार्यते केनचित् कस्यचित् अपि शोषणं न क्रियते.
Stop there. Up to that.
Okay.
This is a long sentence, so you have to stop there.
यत्र राज्ये सर्वेभ्यः बालेभ्यः प्राथमिकी शिक्षा निःशुल्कं दीयते. In which राज्ये सप्तमी विभक्ति, in which राज्यं for all, this is Chaturthi vibhakti, sarvebhyah balebhyah, for all
Start from the
children.
Kriya Padam always. Don't start from there.
Okay,
Kriya
diyate
Padam.
is given. It is karmani prayogam.
How do you know it's Karmani Prayoga? First we have to say Diyate.
Diyate is said.
Diyate is there. The Kriya Padam is Diyate. What Kim Diyate is there? Karma is there. We have to see first. And only it is Karmani Prayoga. Otherwise it could Bhave Prayoga. Diyate.
Okay.
What is Diyate? Kim Diyate.
Is given. Kim shiksha.
Shiksha diyate.
Prathamiki shiksha, basic or fundamental.
Therefore it is Karmani Prayoga. Okay. Shiksha.
Nishulka means
Shiksha is Strilinga, therefore Prathamiki is qualifying Shiksha. Prathamiki Shiksha. That's the word. Prathamiki. That is Prathamiki Shiksha means, what does it mean in English translation? It is
like basic, fundamental,
primary school.
primary. Okay.
Primary schooling. Nishulkam is
okay. Nishulka means not
no fees.
Oh, okay.
So basic education should be given free of cost.
Okay.
It's it's adverbial. Nishulkam diyate. Adverbial. Qualifying the Kriya itself. Nishulkam diyate. So Prathamiki Shiksha Nishulkam diyate. That is a sentence. For whom?
For sarvebhyah balebhyah.
That is how we have to do. You are starting from Yatra. No, always start from the Kriya Padam.
Okay.
From the Kriya Padam and you have to pick up the other words. Now, the Dadatu is there, therefore the Sampratana will be there. To whom it is given? Bala. Balebhyaha. Sarvebhyaha balebhyaha. Where? Rajya. Yatra Rajya. In which Rajya it is given, diyate, then it is not over. It is giving. Next line.
Shramikebhyah uchitam parishramikam avashyam nirdaryate.
So,
nirdaryate.
what is Dhatu?
Yeah, I don't. Ni is upasarga. So dru.
Yes.
Dru. Huh?
Dru Dhatu. What will be his form? Dharati, dharataha, dharanti. From that Dhatu only dharma, the word dharma comes. But how it is nirdharya?
Okay.
What is Dhatu now? What happened to the Dhatu? Anybody?
Dru becomes dar.
Nijanta.
Dir.
Dari.
Karmani form, right?
It is Dru becomes
Dari.
Nijanta. Then the Karmani form. Dari is Dharayati, Dharayataha, Dharayanti. It is Kartari. In Karmani becomes Dharyate, Dharyate, Dharyante. So Nirdharyate, Nir upasarga, Dharyate. Okay, Nijanta form of the Dhatu, Dhru Dhatu. Right?
Okay.
So Nirdharyate. Now, Kim Nirdharyate?
उचितं पारिश्रमिकं पारिश्रमिकं
Parishramica means what?
पारिश्रमिक
Tam parishramitam avashyam nirdharyate.
is it like wages?
I think wages it must be. Parishramica
Ah,
is uchitam,
yeah.
appropriate.
Yeah, for
Is
Shamikebhyah.
avashyam is that it is necessarily the fundamental avashyam should be given avashyam compulsorily necessarily, right? So now therefore what will be now?
Shamikebhyah for the laborers, that is who are toiling. For them, proper wages should be given. Nirdharyate.
Shamikebhyah to the workers, to the laborers. Shamikebhyah tam parishramikam avashyam nirdharyate. Then next line.
Then kenachit kasyachit apim shoshanam na kriyate.
Yes.
Kriyate is kriyapadam.
What does it mean?
So I don't know. Shoshanam.
Kim na kriyate?
Shoshanam. I don't understand. Shoshanam.
Shoshanam is shushdhatu. Shoshanam is dry, meaning literally dry. Kenachit kasyachit api. Shoshanam. Nobody is left dry means what? Nobody means nobody should be. Shoshanam na kriyate. Kenachit by anyone. Kenachit by anyone. Kasyachit for anyone. By anyone to anyone. Shoshanam na kriyate. Shoshanam na kriyate. It is
They were all given food, something like that.
not sure.
Not left without
Shoshanam na kriyate is
without money.
what is the English translation for the word?
Have you said deny?
Denied. That's what it is. Denied. Nobody should be denied. Nobody should be denied. Literal meaning shush means to try. Nobody should be denied.
Denied of what?
Shoshanam, nobody should be not denied of what is not given. Shoshanam na kriyate. Nobody should be denied. Kenachit kasyachit api shoshanam na kriyate.
Maybe we can connect it to the previous sentence, that is parishramam avashyam.
Parishramikam. Yes. Nobody should be denied.
They say, high and dry.
Yeah, that is Shushdhatu is that's the meaning. Okay. So that's the meaning. Nobody should be.
Then adhikaribihi janaha sevyante. So sevyante janaha sevyante. Adhikaribihi janaha sevyante. So the adhikaris, that is what to say,
Officers.
Janaha, they do service to the people.
Next person. Krishnaji.
SD. Karmacharibihi sotsaham karma kriyate. So kriyapadam is kriyate. So karmakaribihi utsaham.
Karibihi. Okay.
Karmachari.
Karmachari is worker. Karmacharibihi.
Tritiya vibhakti bahuvachanam.
Yeah. Karmacharibihi sotsaham karma kriyate. What prayoga is that?
Karmani.
So kriyate. Kim kriyate?
Karma kriyate.
Karma kriyate. It is karmani prayoga. Karma is there. So means utsahena saha karma kriyate kaihi karmacharibihi. So by
Utsaham.
they work very enthusiastically.
Enthusiastically, okay.
Enthusiasm, utsaha. Then
पुत्रैः पितरौ शिष्यै गुरवः युवभिः वृद्धाः च आद्रियन्ते.
Okay, what prayoga is that?
So this is
Actually, you have to read properly. This you putraihi pitarau
शिष्यैः गुरवः
yuvavihi vruddha cha. You have to read like that. Then only it will make. Otherwise, putraihi, kama pitarau, kama shishyaihi, kama. If it is like that, then this meaning is not clear. Putraihi pitarau, together you have to read. Shishyaihi guravaha, yuvavihi vruddhaha cha adriyante. What prayer now?
This is Kartari Prayoga.
Can be Kartari prayoga.
Putraihi
Adriyante.
pitarau.
Putraihi pitarau adriyante. Shishyaihi guravaha adriyante. Yuvabihi vruddhaha adriyante. You can make 3 sentences. Adriyante is respect. Putraihi
Okay.
adriyante. It means putraha
Pitaram pitarau adriyante.
putraha adriyante. Adriya is it is Karmani and Kartari, the form will be same. Respected. By these, the parents are respected. Shishyaihi guravaha adriyante. Shishyaha gurun adriyante. Yuvabihi, yuvakaihi. Yuvanaha. Pratama vibhakti will be yuvanaha. Yuvanaha vruddhan adriyante. I'm just saying Karmani form, okay? So where the sons respect the parents, Shishya respect the guru, the teachers, and the youth respect the elders. There, continue.
गुरुभिः छात्रेषु पुत्रवत् स्निह्यते सम्यक् अध्याप्यन्ते च.
There, what is that? What
स्निह्यते.
prayoga is that? Snigyate.
Bhave prayoga. Bhave prayoga.
Yes, bhave prayoga. Why?
There's no karma.
Snigyate, remember we saw snigyate. Snigdhatu will govern saptami vibhakti. Already we have seen snigyati, the object of love. What you will be in saptami vibhakti. You will see that later in the exercise. Snigdhatu. Here chatreshu, towards the chatra students, Guru is a karta. Therefore, karma is not there. Guru bihi is there. It is bhave prayoga. Guru bihi chatreshu putravat snigyate. So Guru bihi snigyate, that is a sentence. Therefore, this bhave prayoga. Guravaha snigyanti. Right? Guravaha snigyanti. Chatreshu. That is kartari. Karmani will be chatreshu putravat, remain as it is. Guru bihi snigyate. Right? Samyak adhyapyante. Kaihi guru bihi. Karma is not given. Karma is you have to understand karma. Karma not given. Therefore, bhave prayoga only. Guru bihi adhyapyante. Samyak adhyapyante. Well taught by the gurus, teachers. Continue.
सर्वैः नागरिकैः भोजनं वस्त्रम् आवासः च प्राप्यते. आवासः च प्राप्यते.
आवासः वस्धातु becomes vasa. Vasasthalam. Vyasa. Avasa. Avasa is the place of residence. The abode. Avasa. Alaya.
So karma is given here. So prapyate.
Yes, karma is given. Bhojanam prapyate. Vastram prapyate. Avasa prapyate. Kaihi. Sarvaihi nagarikaihi. Therefore, it is karmani prayoga. Prapyate. By all the citizens, food, cloth, and place is they have is enjoy. Is prapyate is they have. Then
जनैः परस्परं मैत्री भावेन व्यवहार क्रियते.
Vyavaharaha kriyate. Don't miss visarga.
Vyavahara kriyate. Okay.
Vyavaharaha kriyate. What prayoga is that?
So this is also karmani. Janaihi vyavahara kriyate.
What is karma?
There is no karma.
Vyavaharaha is the karma.
Oh,
Vyavaharaha. Vyavaharaha is the behavior. Vyavaharaha kriyate. Kaihi
Janaihi.
parasparam, mutual. Maitri bhavena, with friendship.
Mutual friendship.
Mutual friendship, understanding. Maitri bhavena, vyavahara kriyate. Yatra, all these are yatra. Yatra rajye. That is the starting these are this to be brought in for every sentence. Yatra rajye janaihi parasparam maitri bhavena vyavaharaha kriyate. Jana maitri bhavena vyavaharam kurvanti. Okay. The same sentence we can convert into the whole paragraph into kartari. Later we will do. Continue.
Loke uttama gunanam uttama charitrasya cha pratishta drishyate.
Now here what? That is karma.
Drishyate. Loke uttama gunanam. There is no karma, so it's bhave.
Really? Karma not there. If it is karma not there, then where is karta? Or what is then the sentence?
Loke uttama gunanam uttama charitrasya cha pratishta drishyate.
What is drishyate? Kim drishyate? Or ka drishyate? Drishyate, you will say the answer.
Pratishta drishyate.
Pratishta drishyate. Pratishta is the karma, one word. Loke, that is jagati.
Pratishta.
Uttama gunanam uttama charitrasya cha. Pratishta drishyate. So where yatra rajye uttama gunanam, great people, uttama charitrasya, the character also uttama. Drishyate means their being is seen. Pratishta drishyate. Then continue.
Gunishu gunaha pujyante. So again, gunaha pujyante. So this is
What prayoga is that?
karta. Gunaha pujyante.
Karta. Karmani prayoga this is. Gunaha pujyante. Where guna means the character.
Character.
Gunaha pujyante. This is karmani prayoga. Okay. Gunaha is pratama vibhakti. Gunishu gunaha pujyante. Gunaha pujyante gunishu. Gunishu is the one who has guna. The gunas of the people are respected, pujyante. Then
Gunaha kadapi na tiraskriyante.
Tiraskriyante. Yatra rajye gunaha kadapi na tiraskriyante. Tiraskriyante is covered up. Gunaha na tiraskriyante. It is gunaha
Na tiraskriyante.
kadapi, never. Kadapi na, never tiraskriyante. It is not covered up. Okay. Gunaha na tiraskriyante. Then
Tad rajyam eva.
gunaha na tiraskriyante means you don't have this gunaha na tiraskriyante is there is no, it's open and not covered up. I mean the what you think when you do it. Therefore you don't, there's no any wrong intention. Gunaha na kadapi tiraskriyante. It is open. That's what it means. Right? Open. There is no hypocrisy. Gunaha kadapi na tiraskriyante. Then tad
rajyam eva
Adarsha Rajyam.
Uchyate iti.
That Rajyam, that
Adarsha Rajyam.
that Rajyam, that kingdom, that ruling is the Adarsha Rajyam, iti uchyate, it is said. Now the same, it's such a long sentence, actually, one sentence, one paragraph. Now, if you convert this into Karmani, Yatra Rajye, Sarvebhyah Balebhyah, Prathamiki Sha, Nishulkam Diyate. Yatra Prathamika Shiksham, Nishulkam Dadati. Okay. Shramikebhyah, Uchitam Parishramikam Avashyam Nirdaryate is that. Uchitam Parishramikam Avashyam Nirdharayati. Nirdharayati, you can say. Right? Uchitam Parishramikam. Parishramikam taking it to be a Napumsakalinga only. Kenachit kasyachit api shoshanam. Kenachit kasyachit api shoshanam na kriyate. Let it be na kriyate. Adhikaribihi adhikarinaha janan sevanti. Karmacharibihi karmacharinaha sotsakam karma kurvanti. Putraha Pitrun Shishyaha Gurun Yuvanaha Vruddhan cha Adriyante Guravaha Chatreshu Putravat Snigyanti Samyak Adhyapayanti cha Sarvaha Nagarikaha Bhojanam Vastram Avasam cha Prapyanti Janaha Parasparam Maitri Bhavena Vyavaharam Kurvanti Loke Uttama Gunanam Uttama Charitrasya Pratishta Drishyate, let it be Drishyate. You cannot make it. You can make Pratishta Drishyate, you can say Pratishtam Pashyati. Pratishtam Pashyati, you can say Gunishu Gunan Pojayanti, then Gunan Karapina Tiraskurvanti, Tad Rajyam, Eva Adarsha Rajyam, Iti, Uchyate user, Iti Katayati. Iti Katayati. The whole paragraph is converted into Kartari form. Okay. This is good exercise.
Sharanji, one question.
Yes.
Usually when yatra comes, then tatra follows, isn't it? So
Not required,
like
always.
yada tada,
No.
or yatra tatra.
Yatra
Here it
is-
is tadu.
In which Rajya all these things are, that Rajyam is going to be. So not always.
Not always, right?
Not, so what he wants to Raksha, you have to see. Yatra all these things are there. Then he says that Rajyam is the other Rajyam. So therefore that Rajyam is. Not that it is should come always.
Tadu.
So this exercise you can try to convert into this Kartari again. You can practice. What is the karma? Who is karma? Which is karma? Okay. Now this answer. Pata dharena Utasthane Anani Polyata. Rajanitika Vicharadaraha. What is that? Rajanitika Vicharadaraha. Okay, we have to fill in the blank with the Kriyapadam. Rajanitika Vicharadaraha dash. From the lesson.
Drishyante.
Drishyante. What will be Drishyante? Raja Netrabhigi Rajadharmaha.
Anekavida.
Raja Netrabhigi Rajadharmaha.
Palyante.
Palyate.
Paripalyante.
Palyate. Adhikaribhigi Janaha dash.
Sevyante.
Sevyante.
We have
Gunishu
to
Gunaha.
Pujaya.
Paripalyante.
Drishyante. Gunaha Kadapina.
Tiraskritis.
Tiraskriyanti. Okay.
Tiraskriyante.
Then अधोलिखितानि वाक्यानि कर्मवाच्ये परिवर्तयत.
Sevyante.
Yeah, okay. So the next person. Who is the next person?
Pujyante. Last sentence.
I think I should do that, Sharanji.
Please do. This is simple one.
Tiraskri.
It's okay.
Second one, yeah.
Yeah.
That is, you need to make it as karmani prayoga. Bhaktaha devam pujayati. So bhaktena devaha pujyate.
So only one point. Next person. Ganesh ji.
कर्मचारिणः कर्म कुर्वन्ति, सो कर्मचारिभिः कर्म कुर्यते.
There's no kuryate. Kriyate.
क्रियते, sorry, क्रियते.
Rameshwar ji. But 3.
Yeah. Neta Rajadharman Palayati. Neta Netra.
Yes.
Netra Palyante.
Yes. Rajadharman will become.
Rajadharmaha.
Therefore,
Bahuvachana.
palyate. Therefore, not palyate.
Palyante, I said.
Palyante. Okay. Krishnan ji.
Yeah.
विद्यार्थिनः गुरुन् पूजयन्ति, विद्यार्थिना गुरवः पूजयन्ते.
Pujyante.
पूज्यन्ते.
Sumati ji.
पूज्यन्ते.
Raja janan sevate. So Raja is nakaranta. So Rajnya janaha sevyante.
Ganesh ji. Sadaha. Hello. Okay. Rameshwar, you can do.
Apsaraha Indram Vandate. Apsaraha is like Ramaha, like that. Apsara Bihi.
Good. Okay.
Indraha Vandyate.
Andyate. Good. Okay. Next one, the 3 we will do. We'll do that. Okay. That is only one over. It's going to be over. Karmani Bhute Lang it starts. I think we can do the next one also and stop. We can do the next person. Anji. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, it will breaking, but
अधोलिखितानि वाक्यानि कर्तरि परिवर्तयत. You can do. नागरिकैः कर्तव्यानि आचर्यन्ते. Can you hear me, all of you?
It's breaking.
yes, it is breaking.
Breaking a lot.
Okay. Maybe the internet problem. It's not this. Okay, you can read now. Krishnanji.
नागरिकैः कर्तव्यानि अर्चयन्ते.
Acharyanते.
आचर्यन्ते. In active voice. नागरिकाः कर्तव्यानि आचर्यन्.
No. Acharanti. Simple.
आचरन्ति. Okay.
You have to read the Kriya Padam properly. Generally, you will understand what dhatu is. Acharyante. Then becomes Acharanti, right?
Yeah, char dhatu, yeah.
The next one also. Is my voice clear now?
Yes, ji. जनैः व्यवहारः क्रियते. जनाः व्यवहारं कुर्वन्ति.
Kurvanti. Kriyate is immediately you have to remember the dhatu. Dhatu should come to your mind. It is Kru dhatu. Becomes Kurvanti. Next person. Kameshwari. Sorry, Ganesh.
राज्येन अधिकाराः दीयन्ते. So राज्यः अधिकारान्, it is dadanti.
Dadati.
Dadati. Sorry, dadati.
Rajyena is a Rajyam actually, not Rajyaha. Rajyam Adhikaran Dadati.
Dadati.
Next person, Kameshwari.
Sarvaihi Bhojanam Prapyate. Sarve bhojanam, and this is propnuvanti.
Good. Yes. Next person. Krishnanji.
गुरुभिः छात्राः पाठयन्ते. So गुरवः छात्रान् पाठयन्ति.
Yes. Next person. Sumati ji. Last one.
Yeah. Vidvadbihi yagnaihi kriyate.
Yajnah kriyate.
Yagnaha kriyate. So kriyate will become kurvanti. So vidvamsaha yagnam kurvanti.
Yajnam.
Kurvanti.
Yes. So the next exercise will be karmani bhute. So
Excuse me, Ji, that vidvad bihi, how it becomes something she said, vidvamsa, something.
vidvan.
What?
Because it's a vidwan shabda.
Vidvas
Vidvan.
shabda.
Yes,
Sakaranta pullinga. Vas. Please listen.
Vidvas,
Sakaranta pullinga vidvas shabda. Vidvan vidvamso vidvamsah. Vidvamsam vidvamso vidvasah. Vidisha vidvadyam vidvadbihi. So vidvadbihi is there. That's why she said vidvan vidvamso vidvamsaha. She said vidvamsaha. Pratama vibhakti Bhagavachan is
okay.
saha. It is there in the Shabda Manjari in Halanta
Okay.
Pranam Sakaranta. You will see that Shabda. It is Karmani.
Okay.
Karmani Bhute. The next exercise we will do that in the next class. Om Purnamah Purnamidam Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri
Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Harihi Om.
Harihi Om. Dhanyavad.